Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and today is a 3-for-1 unboxing. I'm so excited. I have not purchased from this company before. They have had a series of paintings that I have absolutely loved and had my eye on, and then they had a sale, and then I could use a coupon code. So I bought 3 of them. I thought all 3 would come in one box, but they didn't. They all came individually. As you can see here, I opened it. Paper. They do give you an option when you purchase, whether, because I'm from the United States, they send it from, I think, Canada. And so they tell you if it's in stock or not. So yes, so there is the first box. I'm going to try to do this justice. My desk is a mess. What you see is the only open spot I have. But Oraloa, the Island of Arts. So this is, I've never purchased from them before. I've heard good things about them. This is their packaging. They do send, I believe, from 3 different distribution centers, maybe 2, depending on where you're from. But this is what I got. Look at that. This means the bird. Let me see if I can get a better view. Isn't that gorgeous? This means the bird of Canada. It's a 59 by 90 centimeter. They do come in square or round. However, with the sale, if they didn't have round, it said unavailable. So I did try to get a little selection. And then here on the end, it shows you it's also shrink wrapped, very professionally done. This is suitable for ages 8 and up. So I guess that means I can do it. Also, all work is licensed. They do have a couple Hannah Lynn's. So feel free to go check those out. It is licensed. Yes. So let's see here. I want to open it without breaking it. The box is so pretty. Okay, here we go. Here we go, peoples. I got it. I got it. Okay, so how does it look inside? It is also in its own packaging. Whee! Okay. All right, so it comes with this beautiful, it's a full sticker sheet. So you do need to cut these out. I would suggest like cutting straight across or leaving some edge out here so you can grab them as you cut them, but you can cut it out. You also have the picture. This is, like it says, a 59 by 90, which ends up being a 23 inch by 35. This is the code. Awesome. This is 55 colors. Oh my goodness. And it tells you it has 2 ABs, so 775 and 5200. Okay, I may have to pause between each opening so that I can clear everything out. Here we go, peoples. Taking off the protective sleeve. Ha ha ha. All right. Okay, so you've got your thumbnail over here and what it's called. You've got your little key over here, your table as they call it. Inside is all the goodies. We'll go over those in just a minute. This is square. I want to see. All right, so here you can see it pretty clearly, but because it is dark, I'll probably use a light pad, but it's very easy to see even without a light pad. All right, just a second. And I'm back. This thing is huge, and for my little desk space, I had to move some stuff around, so apologize. But look how adorable. It's this little girl, and she's holding the bird of Canada. And I just love all the blues. I think it's so pretty. And you've got your table over here too. You have it on the right and on the left. let's see where the ABs are. So there are some ABs sprinkled through here. Most of the ABs look to be like the little stars. I will probably glitz this up a little bit more. Absolutely gorgeous. Down here they have the name, how the width, they have their little logo, all their information. It is the canvas is a cloth canvas with a really nice back to it. It's nice and soft. You do, ooh, look at that, blue wax. So you do get your, in the smaller trays, this is one of the best, that your MOSFET. They give you a little sparkle pen. You get some good tweezers because it's square. You got a purple squishy. You get a 3-placer, and this looks like it might be a 7-placer. And then you get this little wax caddy. And you get, whoa, 3. So 3 wax pads. And you're gonna peel off this top and bottom to get to the wax. I say that because the first time I ever diamond painted, haha, laugh at me, almost 4 years ago, I didn't know you needed to peel that off. And I wish I had done my unboxing and startup video, because that would have been hilarious for you guys to watch as a blooper clip. Yes. Okay, so look how the drills come. Absolutely gorgeous. They also have the numbers, so if you separate your drills from your canvas, as long as you keep it in this bag, you have the number. Look, oh my gosh. That's a lot of $9.39 right there, people, right there. They come, I'm not gonna open this because I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I think that's 820. What is that? 823. Yep, in the middle. There's not a ton of 310s that I see. Looks like mostly blues. Absolutely gorgeous. And these are the squares. I'm seeing right now the squares look really clean. If you look in this, I don't see any little loop or little, oh, so here's the ABs right there. Beautiful. Awesome. I do like the 820 AB, so I might throw that in here a little bit. Let's see. So yeah, so this is the first one, the Bird of Canada. So I'm going to put you on hold and grab the next box. And we're back. So this also came in one of those brown square boxes. This also had the cellophane around the top. I just took it off. So here you have your sticker there. You have your sticker there. I did forget to tell you these are poured glue. I'm a little out of practice. So this one, again, is 59 by 90, and this one is round. I love that this is right here. This is the Bird of Polaire. Woohoo! So it's so adorable. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Oh my gosh, I did not, I mean, in my head, I knew because they tell you on the site how big they were. But guys, this was $37. $37 for this huge painting. Most of their paintings range in the 60s, but they had a sale on these certain ones. And they have sales all the time, and they give 15 to 20% off a lot. If you're a member of their Facebook group, or if you just kind of monitor their website or sign up to receive newsletters. I gravitated towards the blues. They do have a couple that weren't on sale that I absolutely love. I think there's 3 more I have to have. I believe there's a total of maybe 8 or 9, but I don't need them all. So look at this color, guys. How beautiful is that? And like I said, it's poured glue. This is round. What I love about the rounds, I'm noticing right away, is there's not the training or dummy circles. What I love is when companies just make the circle a little bit lighter than the background, and that gives you a natural where it's supposed to go. Because if they do white or black as a circle, you see around it. No matter how specific you are to where you place your round drill, you still see it, because round drills are not perfect. Neither are square. I'm trying to get the inside. There we go. Look at those colors. Woo! And then you also get the tray and the wax. And some of the stuff fell out in shipping, which happens. I think this person, because the bag was sealed, said, oops, I forgot to put this stuff in. I'm just going to throw it in. That's okay. I won't tell on you, whoever packed this. All right. There's got to be oh, yep. And then the pen is hiding in there too. I was like, there's got to be a pen. I need my pen, especially if I'm a new diamond painter. Okay, and then inside, this had to be wrapped by somebody else. Okay, so this is different. They actually have a welcome to diamond painting. And they give you kind of like how to open everything front and back. And then this is that sticker. So here's a better view. What it is, how adorable is this? This has 50 colors with, oh my gosh, 2, 4, 6 ABs. So 310, 321, 666, 819, 996, and 5200. Awesome. Okay, so let's unroll this. I wonder if there's more ABs because it's round. Some companies, it's easier for them to get the round ABs versus the square. Okay, are you guys ready? This almost looks like a crown or fireworks. How fun is that? Okay. It does, I'm anxious to see how it turns out because I'm noticing it does have a lot of color blocking. I want to see how the shading goes. As well, isn't he just adorable? Just adorable. Okay, so this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm super excited to work on it. Here's the colors. Absolutely beautiful. This is kind of like a teal. It's showing up a little blue on the camera. Let me see if I can find, okay, so here's the ABs down here. So you got the whites, and blues, you got those reds in there. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. Love these colors. Woo, woo! You did good, artist. You did good. Yes. And you do, like I said before, it is the cloth, beautiful canvas. It is serged along the edge, so if there is any fraying, it's going to stop right there at the serge. You've got your tables both on the right and the left. When you do roll these back up, make sure you're rolling it with the image on the outside. Even though it is poured glue, you want to make sure you're not distorting your glue at all. So I'm going to wrap this up and then we got one more to go. Hey, so be glad that I paused you, because as soon as I paused you, I hit you and you guys went flying. That would have not been fun. All right, so this is the last one, the bird of Phoenix. Oh my gosh, it's got reds and greens. I'm so excited to see this one. This is also a 59 by 90 for $37, people. It also has the sticker on the outside and on the corner, or on the end. It is a square. These, I think the two squares did not come in rounds anymore, because the big ones like this, I wanted to get at least one in square, but I would have preferred 2 in round and 1 in square, because squares take me longer. So when they're this big, it's difficult for me to find time to do it. Not that I don't love it. Okay, so this is 55 colors with 2 ABs. Look how gorgeous that's gonna be. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to see all the colors. Open it up. They do really well packaging and making sure it's safe and good for you. Whee! Okay. So here's your normal toolkit they have with the wax and the pen and the tweezers because it is square. And these are the colors. Look how beautiful these colors are. If you look up close, you can see there's no trash. Doesn't look like there's any tags. If you see dots on the back, that's normal. That's the little thing that punches them through. That's not going to affect your diamond painting at all. How gorgeous are those colors? Okay, then let's see what we really want to see, the canvas. Now, I did this pulling it out of the box. You guys ready? Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. So again, I said I'm anxious to see because this is a lot of color blocking versus a scattering of colors. I want to see how that turns out. They've got beautiful, this is the feathers of the phoenix. These look like balloons or celebration lanterns behind her. That's going to be a lot of, what color is her hair? It looks like 310. Let me get up close and personal with you. Yep, it's 310. So her hair is going to be, now, I will probably use some special in her hair. I love the black velvet from, oh, a brain. I'm so sorry. I love you. Diamond Painting Drills. Diamond Painting Drills has a black velvet that I like to kind of scatter through to show some different variety in her hair, give it some depth. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this one. Yes, and the leaves up here. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. For $37, look, this is going to be like 100 hours worth of work, if not more, for $37. That comes down to like 37 cents an hour. Yeah, 37 cents an hour of nice, fun diamond painting. And like I said, you get the sticker. This has 55 colors. It's poured glue. It's on great canvas. So far for the unboxings, I give it 5 full stars. When it comes to my logbook, check out my logbook. It also has how-tos and fun diamond painting tips and tricks and different things that we say and what we mean, vocabulary, all that fun stuff. Super excited to be working on one of these and give you a post review of this company. Like I said, this is a new to me company. I've heard really good things about them. I'm excited to see if they're true. So far, it looks true to me. I've diamond painted enough that when I see a kit, I can tell if I'm going to enjoy it. The only thing I want to see is how their charting is. Like I said, it's got a lot of color blocking, but that doesn't mean bad things. You got to trust the process. So I want to see how the charting works out on this to give you a better post review. So I'm super excited. Go check them out. I know I butchered the name. I'm so sorry. But go check them out. They have discounts and sales. I got all 3 of these, each one for $37. Plus, I got a percentage off because I used their current month code. So check them out. I can't wait to see how it's going to go. So I love you all. Thank you. This was my first unboxing in a couple months. I was a little out of practice, but you guys were amazing. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Until next time, bye-bye.